again with one of my faves, RPGSHOW. You guys know the vibes. It's the same packaging as they usually would send their wigs in. The box is branded RPGSHOW, just like that drawstring bag. I open it and you know it's packaged really nicely. So we have the wig here. I also got a wig cap. Okay, so that's good. We have this little envelope with the R on it. This is what they usually put their little invoice in, you know, so you can see like the details of whatever wig it is that you get in your package. I also got a flyaway tamer, and you know it's not an RPGSHOW package without one of their, you know, really nice professional glamorous magazines. I also have a headband, and lastly I got a bag that's branded RPGSHOW. They always send one of these bags, and this is great for storage. So for today's wig, it's a little, you know, different. We're doing a really short curly lace front, and you guys know that RPGSHOW has like the best lace front wigs. Like when we talk about quality, we talk about realistic wigs, you know, durability, you're talking about RPGSHOW. Okay, so this wig that we have is a 12-inch natural color curly Swiss lace front wig. It's a tinted transparent Swiss lace front, and it's already plucked. Now the density on this wig, it's very full. It's 200%, so you know it's extremely full. A 13x6 lace parting on the inside, and of course, you know, on the sides it gets a little bit more shallow, you know, not as much parting space there, but it works. And we have a total of 3 combs on the inside of the cap, as well as, you know, these elastic bands. For some people, I know they remove these because they said they sometimes get a headache when they wear them on the inside there. But yeah, that's how it looks, and it has adjustable straps in here, so if you want to tighten it, you can go ahead and do so. So you can go ahead and just go ahead and cut off the extra lace in the back here, because I mean, you don't need that. I usually just cut it off right before I go ahead and install the wig. I always do a little test for you guys on camera so you can see how good of a quality Swiss laces are. This is how it looks. You don't need to go in and pluck this any further, and you need to bear in mind that again, these laces are very delicate, so you know, if you over pluck, you can tear it, you can wear it out, you can accelerate shedding in the area. All right, you don't want that, and you want these to last as long as possible. So this is how this looks. It's so cute. I cannot wait. You guys know I have a thing for short curly wigs, and this is more of like a kinky, it's like not all the way super silky, it's like very full, and it's more of a kinky curly kind of texture. So that's how that looks. Now that I show you guys all of that and discuss the specs with you, let me go ahead and start with application. So I have on my wig cap, and by the way, we're not doing any adhesive with this wig, you know. Then we're gonna go completely glueless, so no got to be no glue. We're not gonna do no got to be no glue, and we're not doing any baby hairs. Okay, we're not doing any baby hairs. You guys know I always like do a little swoop, especially I love doing like my edges with these type of wigs. But so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna first go ahead and just slip it on with the elastic band portion over my head. It's also branded RPGSHOW in here. So this is giving afro, and the reason why I went ahead and still like use the elastic band to slip it on is because that allows the hairline to be very snug and really helps you like to be able to wear it in that like glueless or adhesiveless form. Really, like, it's not going nowhere. So That's really nice. So easy, so minimalistic, so fun. So alright, what I'm gonna do is go in and just cut around the ear portion here because it's too long as usual, as you guys can see. So just measure it up. So what you can do, like especially if you're a beginner, before you cut, because you don't want to damage the wig, you can part out where you feel like you need to remove.
It's the calm before the storm. Things aren't as they were before. You best start bright.
So as you guys know, I just get it as close. I cut off the excess lace and I get it as close as possible to the hairline without cutting off any of, you know, the hairs, because I mean you don't want to do that. And it's so undetectable, super undetectable. Like what lace, right? It looks so good.
Did you think you could keep us out? Shut the gates, forget us now.
Okay, so this is how we're looking, right? Glueless. And so I want to give you guys a nice, cute, like dry, like, you know, fluffed out look of this wig on, you know, before I go ahead and, you know, wet it up and get it nice and, you know, give it that wet look. I'm gonna just give you guys like that nice kind of throw out look. So you can just play around with it, shape it to your liking. So I just kind of give it that kind of like side part vibe. So it's a vibe, it's different, give it that little shaping. I'm just shaping it with my hands, honestly, just playing around with it. A lot of my supporters, you know, like looks like these, so I try my best to cater to everybody, as much people as I can. Okay, it's not just about what I like, you know, and those are things I take into consideration whenever I'm showing you guys these different looks as well. Like everything is not always about like what I like alone, and it's good for me. Like I enjoy exploring new looks, you know. It's fun, you know. That's what life's about. It's about exploring things, you know. So I'm happy that you guys can explore these things with me. So look at that. That's lace right there, guys. No baby hairs, none. I didn't have to stress myself out about edges. Oh, and the back, let me show you the back.
Can you hear the sound?
I'll show you guys the hair in its dry state. I'm gonna go ahead, get this wet.
Can't stop us now. We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution.
So I'm gonna get my bottle with just water in it, and I'm going to spray this down and use my brush to just detangle it and define the curls.
Shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution. Can you hear the sound? We're the revolution. We're the revolution.
Okay guys, so this is the final look with this wig. See, no baby hairs, completely glueless. Let me know how you guys like this wig. It's very convenient, and if you're a person that don't like a lot of hair on your shoulders, you just slip on and go, this is your wig. Shout out to RPGSHOW for sponsoring today's look, and I'm gonna be sure to drop all the specifications of this wig down below in my description box as usual. Also, don't forget to go ahead and check out my recent uploads. You guys know I've been mixing it up, giving you guys different kind of content and stuff, so go ahead and check that out. I do have a skincare routine coming up very soon, and oh, by the way, I want to do a whole another chit chat for you guys, so feel free to go ahead and drop your suggestions and topics of what you want to hear down below in my comment section. So yeah, you can go ahead and do that, and that's it for today, guys. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
With the ground beneath your feet, with a